Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy an EasyJet plane tickets online in 2023. EasyJet is a popular budget airline that offers affordable flights to various destinations. So in this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process of booking your plane ticket with ease. So let's get started and make your travel dreams a reality. So make sure to stick by and let's dive right into it. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by visiting the official EasyJet website. To do that, we'll have to go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. For me, I'm going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you do so, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type easyjet.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this will take you to the home screen or main screen, sorry, of the EasyJet website. From here, you'll be able to find flights from here, like look for holidays here, and you can even rent cars if you want to. So, of course, first, if you don't know much about this EasyJet, you can always scroll down, read more information about it, read more information about the plane, because a lot of people will just look for the best plane for them, depending on the price and on the comfort. So you can scroll down, read more information about it here, or see the reviews about it, what's people saying about it. And then if you have an account, you can always go and click on sign in to sign in into your account, because then you will not have to fill a lot of informations while you are getting your ticket. And of course, you can even go and do the check-in always on this EasyJet website. So as example here, you'll be able to find like from here the flight info, here the holidays, cars and transfers, business, booking.com if you want to book even some hotels, and even you can manage your hotels or the bookings. So let's start by the flights on how to get your flights. So as an example, let's say you are going to fly from this place to, as an example, I'm just going to use the suggestion there, which is going to be Amsterdam. And of course, I'm just going to check this one way. Of course, you can even choose like your returning date if you want to. So for me, I'm just going to choose one way as an example, or for you, you can go and choose like when you're going to come back as example, and even returning. So basically, you'll have to check here the departing and returning depending on whatever suits you. So here, let's just choose an example departing. It's just gonna be like on Wednesday, and returning it's just going to be on, I don't know, maybe Sunday on December, so 3 December or 3rd December. So as you can see here, you'll have to choose how many persons are getting on this flight, so how many adults, how many children, or how many infants. So as an example, let's say it's one children and two parents, and as example their kid, and simply you can simply click in here to show the flights. Once you do so, from here you'll be able to see all the flights. So as you can see here, you'll be able to see the flight on the day that you choose and even like the days around it. So you can, as an example, compare the price and see whatever you want. So as you can see, there's the lowest fare. An example, next 2 days, this is the lowest fare, and of course, etc. So this is actually with my currency. Of course, here you can just divide this per 10. Any number here divided per 10 will be like in USD. So basically, you'll have to go through the steps. So you'll have to pick a flight, pick your seats or seat selection, cabin, your bags if you want to add more kilograms to carry in your bags, hold luggage, and you can even go and have a car rental, travel insurance, and checkout where you are going to pay. So as an example here, I'm just going to choose this one. And on the return, I'm just going to choose, let's see here if there's like cheapest one than this. It seems like all the same price. So let's just choose this one as example. As you can see here, we have our two flights or our two plane tickets. So simply I'll have to click on continue. Here, you'll have to choose you want the standard plan, the standard plus, or essential. The standard will let you get one small in their seat cabin bag. And as you can see, this is the max or the bag how it should be. So the standard plus will let you get the same standard bag or like small bag, and of course one large cabin bag. And this is the things of it: upfront seats and EV speedy boarding. And of course for the essential, it's gonna be one small under seats cabin bag again, and 23 kilogram hold bag and the standard seats. So depending on whatever suits you, you can go and get that. So as an example, this is, you will not add any money. If you want this, you will have to add more money, and same goes for this one. So here as an example, I'm just going to choose the freest one or the cheapest one. And here as you can see, so you'll have to select like the seats for the adult one, adult two, and the child. So example, adult one should be here, adult two should be here, and the child should be here. Or you can switch between them depending on whatever you want. As example, let's see the child in the middle or the child in front of the window. As example here. So depending on whatever suits you. So let's say child here and other people here. So you choose now the seats. Let's just click on continue. So for the return, of course, you'll have to choose the same. So I'm just going to do this and click on continue again. And as you can see from here, you'll be able to add like bags if you want to. But if you want to add bags, you will have to add more money as an example. So if you add bags as an example, you will see here that the price will even get bigger. So you can remove it if you didn't want to, or you can add it. So it's $300 if you add all the bags here. So I'm just going to skip this option. You can skip it from here or there. Here, the hold luggage, you can add more if you want to. And as I said, if you add any of those, the price will be added as well. So as an example, for me, I'm just going to skip the bags also here. And for the cars, as you can see here, you will find, you can see here the price that suits your needs depending on whatever you want. And as an example, let's say I want to get this and add this car. So you'll have to sign in or create an account for yourself if you want to add a car. So I'm not gonna add it because I don't want to create an account at the moment. So, or anyway, I guess if you want to continue to the next step, you'll have to fill your email address and password to create an account. If you are new customers, just enter your email address. But if you have an account, simply enter your email address and your password, and you'll basically head to the checkout where you are going to pay, and you'll be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully booked your EasyJet plane tickets online in 2023. And of course, you're all set for your upcoming adventure. So the EasyJet website offers a user-friendly booking process, making it easy and convenient to find and secure your desired flight. Remember to review all the details carefully before making your payments. So thank you for watching this tutorial and happy travels with EasyJet. And if you find this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more travel-related tips and tutorials. Bon voyage!